Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to the channel of technician, welcome back to the channel of traveler, channel of entrepreneur, channel of business people. I want to give you my general observation on how to repair your television and on which circumstance you need to repair your television. Is it worth it to repair a television whereby your LED is cracked? Is it worth it to replace the board of your LED television? Or is it worth it to maintain your box television, your cathodic tube television? Guys, stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's share this. If you like what I do in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let me see you there.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like and share.
If you are looking for the board of your LED TV, your plasma, your 3D TV, if you are looking for the board, contact me below. Guys, receive my elephant greeting from Johannesburg. My name is Alphonse Fokou. For those who doesn't know, I am a content creator. I'm a technician in electronic, technician in satellite, technician in air conditioning. If you got problem on these three departments, you can easily contact me. And many countries, including South Africa, are taking this television out of the market. So if you have a 74 centimeter television, you'll be having a board like this. This is actually where most of us learn how to repair television. And on this board, on this type of board, on the box television, we basically have everything in this board. Actually, we put this one on the cathodic tube to make a television on. And we find a board like this, whereby you could see your power supply here, you could see your sound here, you could see your chrome, that's mean the luminance, the color, the RGB, you could find it here, and you could find your vertical and horizontal here. Actually, was very easy to repair this TV and cheap for the user and cheap for a technician, because if you have a problem in the power supply, you basically look for your power supply, you find the component who's damaged and you replace it. If you got a problem with the sound, you will go to the compartment of sound, you're going to check the component, the IC, the transistor, the capacitor who's damaged here, you replace it. If you got a problem with chrominance, luminance, RGB, you know everything is done by this big main IC, vertical coming from here. And then if you have a problem of horizontal, you know where to go. Okay, if you got a problem on the RGB color, you know where to go. That was very easy and cheap to fix the television with the cathodic tube. Tell me on the comment if are they going to suspend this television in your country, or they're still going to be using it for many years. In South Africa, guys, this one is going out completely. Even if you plug your area there, very soon you will not have a signal. It's not mean that you may not use it. You can still use it, because if you have a decoder, you're going to put it on AV and then you're still going to have a picture. So if you got this TV at your home, don't throw it away, because even if they go completely to digital, still going to have your AV here, and you can connect a decoder, a box there, and connect it here and watch your picture. So don't throw your TV. From this big board, this small board, we build out the plasma. This one is 40-inch television, and what we can see that the technology have changed. The technology have changed in a certain way that from this box TV, they make everything to this small tiny board. You see here we have a power supply, we have a horizontal, we got vertical, we got chrominance, luminance, and sound, right? The main thing on this TV is this board and the screen. It's an LED television. From cathodic tube, we went to plasma. From plasma, we went to LCD. From LCD, now we're going to LED and 3D, okay? And you can notice that in the plasma, we have a lot of board. In LCD, we got a lot of board. In LED, we got a small board like this one. This is a 40-inch television, LED. And you can see here that we have a tiny board. So all the technology is on this tiny board in this memory IC, as you can see here. So actually, we got a backlight here in the cases, who supplied by this. We got our sound, who going to the speaker. We got our power supply, bringing the electricity to the TV. We got the control board, volume, color from this plug, and then we got this one which link the LCD of the screen. The TV is only the board, the main board, and the screen. And you understand that if we got a problem with power supply, there's a very few components there you can change. Most of components you cannot change. This one get cracked. This TV is beyond repair. Most of the problem of the TV LED is the screen crack. If the board is damaged, you can replace this board and make the TV work. If the power supply, because you can have a diode and maybe the fuse, very few components, or you can get these caps who's not okay. Few components changeable, yeah. But most of the cases, when this board is damaged, especially if it's affecting your main IC, we have to buy another board and replace it. That one is easy. But when is the screen, when is the LED use crack, guys, we don't repair it most of the time. So what I just wanted to let you understand in this technology is that it's very good because you got a LED, you got a LED picture. It's very good because you got a HDMI connection. You got very clear picture compared to this one. Okay, but the inconvenience here is that if you got a lightning, it may damage this IC. Most of the time when this IC is affected, you have to change this board. Or if you got the fuse or power supply, because the power supply is just this, if the power supply is damaged, you can also replace it. Most of the time we got a lightning who damaged the backlight, or we get the screen who's cracked. Backlight we can still replace, but let me tell you, when you replace the backlight, it will never be the same as the original backlight. So either on this TV, either you got a backlight damage, or you get the screen cracked, or you got a board need to be replaced. Most of the time you'll find yourself that you have to replace the board, because the power supply can be okay. Beside this power supply or beside these caps, you need to replace the whole board. So it make this TV expensive to repair. It make the TV actually expensive to repair. And if the screen is cracked, buy another one. If your screen is cracked, buy another one. Don't even stress yourself to fix the TV. Don't stress yourself to fix the TV if the screen is cracked. Let me put it on. This TV is cracked. Look here. This TV is cracked. You can see the crack here, like this. This TV is cracked. You can see the crack here. The screen is cracked. This TV is still working. When the LCD is cracked, bro, please, just go and buy another one. Tell me, this TV, is it made to use and throw it when it's got damage, or is to use and repair it? And if you check the value of this TV, if you get to replace, to go and buy another LCD, it may cost you basically the price of the TV. So you got a main board on your LED. You got a main board who could be replaced easily. That is an easy way you can replace the board here and fix your TV. But if you got a LED, if you got your LED cracked like this one, bro, just go and buy another TV. Don't even waste your time to take it to repair. Buy another TV. But if the screen is not cracked, take it to repair, because the technician will go and work on the board. He will fix the board for you, or he's gonna get you another board and replacing your TV will be normal. Guys, tell me below if you think LCD, LED, 3D television is to use and throw, because you'll find a way that you spend a lot of money buying a big TV. It could be 50 inch, it could be 72 inch. Buy all your big TV, and then you find out that somebody just draw the key, even the remote can fall on it and crack the screen, and that's how you cannot get any money for that TV. You have to buy another one. Don't you think this TV was better than this one? If the screen cracked, we cannot repair. I believe 80% of the problem of LED TV is a screen crack type of TV. Was not better than this one. Box TV, you could repair it cheap. You can repair any kind of fault on the box TV. And on the box TV, maybe 5% of the case of problem of box TV will be the screen. The screen, the cathodic tube will last long. But the LED lasts, because with only a remote we break this TV. Don't think about falling down. If you have this TV, don't fight. Don't argue with your partner, because don't even put it where the children will pass. If you put this TV where the children will pass, actually it's going to break. So please guys, give me your point of view, give me your opinion about LED TV. Is it worth it? We know these TV are very expensive in the market, but the service of this TV, is it worth it? Because most of the cases the screen will get cracked, and when the screens get cracked, we have to put our TV behind and buy another one. How much do we spend to buy a LED TV? And this one was very cheap, and we don't spend much to repair it. But this one, you spend a fortune to repair it. Guys, have you ever had an experience whereby your LED TV was damaged and you take it for repair? How much you pay for the repair? Compared to the time you were using the box TV. When you were using the box TV, your repair was that expensive. Compared to today when you are using the LED TV, how is your repair? Is it possible to repair your LED TV? Is it worth it? Is it worth it to repair your LED TV to compare to your box TV, to your cathodic tube TV? Give me a comment below. If you like what I do on this channel, please do subscribe, share the video. Somebody somewhere need it. We are here to share information. As you know, I'm a technician, content creator, businessman, entrepreneur. All this for me. Honestly talking, I still wish this TV continue to be in the market. I still wish to see this TV in the market, because really, this was the best technology for us. This was the best technology and cheap technology for us to be used, because with this TV, you could repair your TV anytime in the very low cost. Those fancy TV, those LED TV, those 3D TV, believe me, firstly, we don't have a component on the market. We don't have part, we don't have a replacement board, because most of the time you have to come and see us like this for us to provide you board. There's no company who will easily sell board for you, especially in South Africa, and make the repair of the LED and 3D TV very expensive. Compared to this one, we did not have a problem repairing this TV. And guys, this LED TV have killed the business of people who used to sell component, people who used to sell part of television. They are not selling anymore, because how many people use the box TV? Now the company have been closed because they cannot sell component anymore for technician to fix their TV. And the company who sell this, they are very expensive. This one doesn't come from a factory. This come basically from China or from other television we scrap. That's why we got a board. And to get a board for a particular TV is very difficult, because in the market we got a lot of Chinese name. In the market we got a lot of Chinese name of main board. And having a lot of Chinese name of main board stop us to find what we want. End of the day, the customer is complaining, waiting for his TV to be fixed, thinking it's your fault. Just because I could not find the board for him, the customer will end up discourage himself. The customer will end up abandon his TV because we could not find a replacement board. When we was using this TV, anytime we will go to the market, get our IC, get our component, get our capacitor, our transistor, our transformer, you know, it was very easy to get a spare to fix this TV than today when we need to change the board. And we got this variety, we got this different type of TV in the market. We don't even know the names coming from China, and we could not find the right board to satisfy our client. This make the business difficult. Difficult for us technician, difficult for a client who are expecting you to fix his television. If you are a technician, please kindly give me a comment below. What do you think about repairing this modern TV called LED or LCD or plasma to compare to cathodic tube TV, where we could only go to our market and get the component, IC, tuner, transistor, and come and fix the customer TV. And that TV will last long to compare to this modern LED TV, whereby if the screen is cracked, you cannot replace it. Firstly, it's not easy to find a replacement screen. If you got a replacement screen, it's actually the price for another television, and make the customer not to fix his television, and make we technician not to make money. Guys, if you are a technician, tell me, do you really make much money fixing LED television, or you were making more money fixing this easy television where we can change our part? Is it easy to get a man board? Is it easy for you to get a main board of television? If it's easy, let me. If you are looking for the board of your LED TV, your plasma, your 3D TV, if you are looking for the board, contact me below. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give me this, subscribe, share, because many people out there, or some people out there, need this information and they want to know where they can get their board. One address, Fokou Media. Contact me below for your TV board.